Number 1. Have an operation. It means to undergo a medical surgical procedure.
My aunt will have an operation tomorrow. My aunt will have an operation tomorrow. He's nervous to have an operation soon. He's nervous to have an operation soon. She had an operation on her knee. She had an operation on her knee.
Number 2. Have a meeting. It means to attend a planned discussion with others.
We have a meeting with the team. We have a meeting with the team. She has a meeting at noon today. She has a meeting at noon today. He's preparing to have a meeting later. He's preparing to have a meeting later.
Number 3. Have an appointment. It means to have a scheduled meeting, often professional.
I have an appointment with the dentist. I have an appointment with the dentist. She has an appointment at the salon. She has an appointment at the salon. They have an appointment with the lawyer. They have an appointment with the lawyer.
Number 4. Have an interview. It means to have a formal meeting, often for a job.
He has an interview for a job today. He has an interview for a job today. I'm nervous to have an interview tomorrow. I'm nervous to have an interview tomorrow. She dressed up to have her interview. She dressed up to have her interview.
Number 5. Have contact with. It means to communicate or interact with someone.
They often have contact with customers. They often have contact with customers. I rarely have contact with my neighbors. I rarely have contact with my neighbors. She likes to have contact with friends. She likes to have contact with friends.